Namaskar. From today, we are starting another interesting series, and that's about Vedic maths. Vedic maths has been my passion since school days, and it has helped me a lot in various examinations. So, I wish to share uh, my experience and knowledge about Vedic maths with all of you so that you can also start enjoying the mathematics and the maths in specifically and especially in competitive exams. So today let's quickly understand a little bit about what is Vedic math and how it will help you during exams. So what is actually Vedic math? Vedic math is a very different way of doing math which is much simpler and easier. It's also much faster and it's more suitable for the mental math, and that's why it is very useful in any competitive exam or exams where multiple choice questions are given. Even to solve, if you want to use Vedic math to solve, and if the examiner is not interested in the steps written in the question answer sheet, then Vedic maths is more suitable. It mostly covers algebra and arithmetic. In fact, a part of algebra is explained in the or is resolved or is developed from algebra, and that's why arithmetic has become simpler. As well as when you learn algebra, you can very easily and quickly connect with the methods that you had learned in arithmetic, and that's why even the algebra becomes simpler if you learn Vedic math. Because algebra becomes simpler, it's also applicable and useful in coordinate geometry as well as in matrices. Vedic math, the entire subject, is based on only 16 main sutras, and that makes the whole subject really simple. So these 16 sutras actually indicate 16 different patterns, and whenever you observe the right pattern, solving the sum becomes very simple. However, being a method of mental math, it's not for those who think the math is difficult. It is basically for those who can identify the pattern, apply the pattern, apply the formula or the sutra. And that's why it's not about how much calculations you can make or you can't, but it's more about can you really observe the pattern and apply the right sutra at the right time and at the right place. That's exactly how Vedic math works, rather than how good you are at calculations. Okay, it's much faster than the school math. It is said that it is 5 to 15 times faster than the school math, and as you learn you would also realize that it's much faster than the school math. Who invented Vedic math? This is one of the questions that is very commonly asked, and the answer is Shri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. He was a Shankaracharya of Puri Pitham, and he reinvented this particular method of math. And then the next question that is asked is, why is this called Vedic math? Is it there in Vedas? Actually, Vedas are not written by somebody. Vedas are basically, they are called apaurushaya, means somebody intuitively realized that something like this needs to be there or is there, and the seeds, they documented Vedas. Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj believes in the same, that he got an intuition to build mathematics in this particular way, and that's why he developed this particular method, and that's why he calls it as Vedic mathematics. Even the current Shankaracharya of Puri Pitham is very well versed in mathematics, and even he has authored many different books on mathematics. So Puri Pitham is very closely associated with mathematics, and Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj started it when he authored this. There was only one book or one body of knowledge which was available in later part of his life, and that was the book that was written on his name called Vedic Mathematics. In fact, so another question that people ask is this only in India or does it have any recognition across the globe? And the answer is yes, it has lot of recognition across the globe. In fact, some schools in UK or England only teach Vedic math. They have stopped teaching the traditional math because when you learn Vedic math, your mathematical intelligence is developed at a much more pace, it becomes much better, and that's why some schools in England have started teaching only Vedic math, and it is becoming very popular day by day. So we are going to start this journey. This is the introduction video. From the next video, I'm going to explain various methods of arithmetic first, and then we will study the algebra as well and various applications of these methods in competitive exams. So today we will stop here. I'm sure you are waiting for the next video. See you next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends, your fellows, students, fellow teachers, whoever are interested in mathematics in general and Vedic maths in specific. Namaskar.